Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you the different ways you can watch Hulu videos on your TV in 2025. Whether you have a smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Option 1. Using a smart TV. If you have a smart TV, it's easy to watch Hulu directly without needing any additional devices. Here's how. Turn on your TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. Go to your TV's app store, e.g., Roku Channel Store, Samsung Apps, Google Play Store. Search for Hulu and install the Hulu app. Open the Hulu app and log in with your Hulu credentials. Browse through the available content and start streaming. Most modern smart TVs, like Samsung, LG, Vizio, and Sony, support Hulu, so you can easily stream without needing extra equipment. Option 2. Using a streaming device. If your TV isn't a smart TV, or if you prefer using a streaming device, here are the steps for the most popular options. Roku. Plug the Roku device into your TV's HDMI port. Set up Roku and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Go to the Roku Channel Store and search for Hulu. Install the Hulu app and open it. Log into your Hulu account and start streaming. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Plug the Fire TV Stick into your TV's HDMI port. Connect to your Wi-Fi and navigate to the Amazon App Store. Search for Hulu and install it. Open the app, log in, and enjoy your content. Apple TV. Set up Apple TV and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Open the App Store and search for Hulu. Download the app, then sign into your account. Browse and start streaming. Option 3. Using a gaming console. You can also stream Hulu on your TV using a gaming console like Xbox or PlayStation. Here's how. Xbox One/Xbox Series X/S. Open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox. Search for and download the Hulu app. Log into your Hulu account and start streaming. PlayStation 4/PlayStation 5. Go to the PlayStation Store and search for Hulu. Download the Hulu app and sign in with your credentials. Start enjoying Hulu on your TV. Option 4. Casting from your phone or tablet. If you have a Chromecast, you can cast Hulu content from your phone or tablet to your TV. Make sure your Chromecast is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or tablet. Open the Hulu app on your mobile device. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device. Choose the video you want to watch and start streaming on your TV. Option 5. Using an HDMI cable. If you don't have a streaming device, you can always use an HDMI cable to connect your laptop or mobile device to your TV. Connect your device to the TV using an HDMI cable. Set your TV to the correct HDMI input. Open the Hulu website or app on your device and log in. Play your favorite show or movie, and it will appear on your TV screen. Conclusion. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, gaming console, or even casting, there are plenty of ways to watch Hulu on your TV in 2025. Choose the method that works best for you and enjoy seamless streaming on the big screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.